Hello everyone, Nasser here from Financial Markets Club. Time to have another look at gold. In my last video I was talking about how gold is very likely to sort of top out somewhere around the 1800s, and goodness me, it has topped out and it came all the way back down. So yeah, you should have if you did some shorts around the 1800s, you should be looking at some healthy profits on this. So if you traded based on my previous analysis, let me know how it went for you in the comments below. It'd be really nice to know how my analysis is helping people out with the trading, and it's just motivation for me. So share your results and let's see how it's going. If you haven't been making any profits on this, where the analysis has been pretty accurate, then there must be something wrong with the trading strategy. So yeah, feel free to reach out to me. Let's see if I can help you identify the issues with the trading strategy and help you become profitable. It's been quite a while I've been doing these analysis, and I've been recording and documenting everything actually. So I'm just going to quickly head over to my website and show you a quick snapshot of my progress. And as you can see, to date, my sort of success rate on getting my analysis right is about 68%. And on the right, I've got some statistics where I show the sort of gains and losses that have been taken over this time period. Naturally, I can't be 100% correct, otherwise I'd be holding a crystal ball. I'd know exactly what's happening on the markets in the future. With respect, anybody who claims they've got an accuracy rate of about 90% or above, I think is outrageous, to be honest. But here we are on the right side. You can see that I do take some losses, but the profits that are taken are substantially higher. In fact, my profits that are taken are 10 times more than the losses that are taken. So overall, that helps any traders to stay on the profitable side. So I'm hoping that you're following my analysis and making the most out of this. If you haven't joined my VIP service yet, then just pop over to my website and join today and enjoy the benefits of my analysis. So we have an interesting scenario at the moment. We've come very close to this 1680 support, which can be a good thing and a bad thing. Obviously, the fact that it's come down so close again, gives us a warning signal that, hold on a minute, if this level is broken, we're going to new lows. But I'm more inclined towards the upside, to be honest. I feel that this is going to head right back up, largely given the issue going on in the market, especially with relation to inflation and so forth. I didn't really expect gold to come down so low, close to 1680. What was it yesterday? It touched 1690 or something like this. So that's a bit extreme. At most, I did expect around the 1710-ish kind of level. But I'm seeing signs. I'm seeing signs of the table turning and buyers coming to sort of push in and take gold upwards. So I would imagine, and I think it's highly probable, that gold is very likely to head right back up to the 1800 level and exceed this, and most likely head towards 1840-ish, 1840, 1850, somewhere around there, possibly at most 1860-ish. So we've got a substantial ride up. It's going to take some time, and again, just like before, it's not going to be a straight line up. It's going to be quite a ride, and I think there's going to be a lot of opportunities to sort of trade gold along the way. So for now, I'm staying on the buy side of gold. Of course, the flip side is breaking the 1680 level. If the 1680 level is broken, then we've got a whole completely different scenario, and I'd make a separate video on that when that situation comes, because I think I'd have to sort of reassess the entire situation before giving in sort of targets in terms of where it might be going. So for now, I'd like to stay on the buy side. If 1680 is breached, then the situation changes. Also, if I could ask you to just throw in a quick like on my video, please, and subscribe to my channel so you can get updates on my videos as they come up. Really appreciate the support, and let's try and grow this channel to help out as many people as possible.